Alright guys, welcome back to One Me School. In this video I'm gonna show you how to block someone email at Gmail. So I'm gonna show you step by step tutorial. So if you don't subscribe yet to One Me School, do a thumbs up. Alright, so you can see that I'm right now at Google search engine interface. So you need to click on the search bar and type your Gmail. Okay, so we need to hit on the enter button right now. So you can see that this is Gmail, so I'm gonna click on there, and yep, now we are in Gmail dashboard. So I'm gonna click on of them, such that I'm gonna click on there, and yep, we need to. Alright, I'm facing internet issues, so okay, so I'm right now at the Gmail. So now click on the three-dot button, and we can see a menu bar. Now click on the block button. So you can see that if we block the email, we not receive any future email from that address. So as I don't want, so I'm gonna click on the block button. That's it.